When you're producing 2 videos a week and at 1.3, on top of being a full-time college student and working as the vice president of operations for an MCN alternative called Talency, the organization and planning of content on this channel really gets put into a whole other perspective. Today's video is not going to be a review or a PC testing video, but it's going to be something that a lot of people ask me on my live streams and private DMs. How do we make our videos? And I'm not going to bore you with some of the basics about how to shoot a video with a video camera, edit it. What I'm going to be doing is giving you all some detail about the steps we take in post-production, which is honestly the most vital part about creating the best content and getting it live on YouTube. So how about we show you how it's done after a word from today's sponsor.
This video is brought to you by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a toolkit for all YouTubers alike, with advanced metrics and functionality within YouTube itself, including things like bulk syndication and other bulk updating tools. TubeBuddy is the best video manager for you. Want to try it yourself? Click the link down below to get a free trial. Also consider signing up for Talency, with TubeBuddy Pro included.
Special thanks again to TubeBuddy for sponsoring today's video. They wanted me to make a video about how we create content and show you how TubeBuddy plays a very important role in getting the final steps together of your video. Now, if you are actually interested in how we edit our videos, be sure to check our Morning Energy live streams on Thursday mornings. I do a live edit in Premiere Pro and show you exactly how I create my content step by step from my own perspective. It's something for you editing and video junkies out there. But today I'm going to be talking about what you do after that video spends all day rendering and you're ready to get that video uploaded. First step, thumbnail. I use Photoshop Creative Cloud Edition and create all the thumbnails for the channel. I first take a screen grab from the video directly or a photo that was purposely took for the thumbnail during production and throw it into Photoshop. I'm not a really good graphic designer, I know the basics, so my thumbnails are very simple but yet very effective. Yeah, going the Linus Tech Tips route could get you better clicks, but your content should speak for itself, and you don't need something really crazy to make your video stand out. But a good tip to follow is to use contrasty colors to make the text pop, and add a consistent theme to all your thumbnails, so when people see it on their suggested videos, they know, oh, that's a Toasty Bros video. I export all my thumbnails at 1920 by 1080 max quality and make sure it's under YouTube's 2 megabyte limit, which most of the time it is, and then I save it in a folder and get it ready for when the video goes live. Alright, upload time. We try our best to form a backlog whenever we can to stay ahead of videos in case something happens and we can't create one day or a couple weeks for whatever thing might happen in life, you never know. So we try to schedule our videos to upload 99% of the time, and we kind of have a backlog that's constantly on YouTube ready to be released. Now during the upload process is where TubeBuddy comes in. TubeBuddy gives you suggested tags that work like a charm. They base these tags off the title of your video, and they also give you suggested tags that relate to other content on your channel, so they show up in your suggested results after people watch another video on your channel. We try to fill that box up with as many as we can. Some little insider knowledge that I learned from somebody over at YouTube is that a lengthy description with keywords in the description can actually be much more valuable than a ton of tags. Don't slack on your descriptions, guys. It's very important in search ranking. Once the video is uploaded and on our dashboard, we then go about syncing it to Facebook. Oh yeah, we have a Facebook page, by the way. Link in the description down below. TubeBuddy will grab all the data from that video you uploaded and allow you to sync it with an upload to your Facebook page. Really neat. It's called Facebook syndication. Having your content on as many platforms at once is key. The more eyes, the better, even if it's 1 viewer or 10,000 viewers. And then lastly, we just make sure we have our content ready to go on all other social media platforms like Twitter and our Discord server. And once the video goes live, we ping people on our Discord server and throw it all over Twitter to make sure it gets out all over the place. And that is how we get our videos on YouTube. But before I get out of here, let's run down some of the other awesome features that TubeBuddy has to offer creators. TubeBuddy gives you access to a ton of analytics that go way beyond what your YouTube channel's dashboard will offer, including pre-made promo material that you can access with key links that you can grab on the fly. There's even a video topic planner that pulls up trending topics from the day for you to consider when planning your content. The list of features is endless, and if you want to try out TubeBuddy yourself, I will leave a link down below where you can try it out for free today. And that about wraps this video up here, guys. If you like this video, leave a like down below and comment TubeBuddy in the comment section down below if you made it this far. If you're interested in more content like this, instructional or educational regarding YouTube and creating content on YouTube, be be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. I love educating you all on how to grow your channels and maybe take your channels to the next level. I hope to see you on the next video, guys. Peace out.